Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington car wash man, motorhome wash man. Now this is a before video. This car is very badly oxidized. As you can see, mold all, let's see, just mold in all of the cracks and crevices all the way around in every single window. You can see the roof is covered with mold. You can't run this through a car wash, so this happens sometimes. And a little bit more on the outside will be, as you can see, the black is terribly oxidized. I'm gonna polish that all up. We're gonna polish and wax this thing and do the inside, full detail of it. Get it all brand new again. There's no shine on here whatsoever. It's mold in the pigment of the paint. So we're gonna shine it up, get all the mold off of it and out of it. So this is the before picture, and we'll take afterwards. Guys, have a great day.